Today's video, we're going to talk about using Google Gemini for increasing quality scores automatically and organic rankings to go along with it, which for a lot of you guys, it's going to get you the most excited. I'm going to talk about how much this is actually going to affect your results if you use it to your advantage. When I say use it, I mean simply writing your landing page copy with it and getting a 146% increase your organic traffic, at least on your landing pages, once you get them picked up by Google's ads, picked up by get them indexed by Google and for their organic rankings, of which the quality score increase you also get is also going to make you quite a bit more money, particularly at the beginning when you start ramping up new ads for yourself on Google Ads. A lot of you guys ask, how do I get my quality scores up? Google is very stingy with the quality score algorithm and giving you a decent quality score, particularly at the beginning when you start advertising. Using Gemini is just one easy way around all the BS that Google has, where it's very hard to get a 10 quality score anymore, particularly at the beginning. You can get a higher quality score than what you deserve by using their tool, of which you can call this a conspiracy, you can call this built-in demand for the product, where they would realize guys like me would actually announce from the rooftops how much this is going to make you more money when you start using it, whatever. All I know is that this actually works, and I'm going to explain exactly how that is on this video so you can use it for yourself. So with this, we ran an experiment to find out whether or not we can game the Google quality score system or algorithm by creating keyword-targeted landing pages and using Gemini to make these landing pages specifically. This is actually an idea. I came up with this idea for a test, by the way. I didn't randomly wake up one day and just think of this out of the blue. Louis Rossman actually, if you know, maybe you know his channel, maybe you don't, but I actually seen, I'm always on the lookout for marketing hacks. He had actually said himself, so you could, if right after watching this video, you could watch his, said that he actually ranked #1 on Google using Gemini to write the content for his website, whereas he wasn't even on the first page inherently for his main keywords before he started using it. And he was complaining how ridiculous this is, that you have to do this, and now his website's totally soulless. We're all playing a game where we're bowing down to the Google gods because we know how rich their customers can make us. Getting mad about it ain't gonna help anything. But when I seen this, I was like, I wonder how we can apply this to what we're doing with pay-per-click advertising, given that's what our firm focuses on, and take a quality score that normally would be a 6 or 7 out of 10 and make it an 8 out of 9 out of 10 even, by just making the body text written by the algorithm and telling the system, hey, like literally like Rossman did, hey, Google, I want you to write the landing page copy for my landing page, targeting the keyword fast plumbing services, so that the quality score that you give me when I advertise on this keyword or for this keyword, that the quality score is as close to as 10 as we could possibly get. Boom. Text comes out, we use that on our landing page. A, it makes it so that we don't have to write our own copy. B, most importantly, it's going to get the system to give us the highest quality score possible, of which I was right. So I'm going to go over how much the quality score went up once we implemented this way of writing body copy, whereas before, our firm would just hand write it. Now, at the same time, by the way, whatever is going to get the highest click-through rates on your ads and conversion rates on your landing page is going to be what makes you the most money long-term. And even after discovering this, is absolutely no different. What this will do is give you a higher quality score, particularly short-term. If they write the body copy and it doesn't convert, your quality score is going to quickly go down after the fact. So at the same time of everything I'm going to say, you need to read that body copy and then ask yourself, is this likely to convert as well once users actually get to the page? Because if it doesn't, it's all for nothing, at least long term. Or you could take a hybrid approach, which is what I would ultimately recommend here, and you do one approach for your landing page short term to start to make money, because you get your quality scores up much quicker, particularly in markets where your cost per click is above $10 a click, because you can't afford many clicks at the beginning, and it takes a certain amount of clicks just to build up a high quality score. And then later on, you have a landing page that's written by an actual sales copywriting expert that you use long term, that's really going to get you the highest conversion rates and the highest quality scores, because you got the highest conversion rates, so that you have a short-term strategy for your landing page and a long-term strategy for your landing page, of which short-term using Gemini to kind of game the system, and then long-term you're using actual sales copywriting techniques and practices to get a high conversion rate and make the most money that way, because it's going to obviously convert at a higher rate, but also give you the highest quality score because it does convert at a higher rate because they go hand in hand, obviously. For you guys that are belly aching that you don't have a high quality score and Google's not giving you one, of course, short-term with quality score, Google estimates what your quality score is likely to be and then what it actually is. And if you already, the easiest way to get a high quality score is to not use one landing page for all your keywords. You do different landing pages for literally every keyword. Now, yes, I know it's a lot of work, but do you want high quality scores or do you not, ultimately? Because again, Google rewards people that are going to put more work in where it's useful work. The first thing you should do is get behind a unique one landing page per keyword strategy. Once you've done that and gotten the value out of that, or want to take it to the next level, then you can start using this Gemini strategy on top of that process to get the ultimate highest quality score you can for your business. To maximize your quality scores, you want to have on your keyword specific landing pages, which for a local service, you also want, or even a national service, you want the location in the landing page. So the location and the keyword is optimized on your pages. So you would have different campaigns for each location. And then each campaign has one landing page for each keyword you're using within that campaign to get the ultimate highest quality scores you can. Because in services, people want to know you do what they came for, and regurgitating back to them what they typed in Google is the easiest way to do that by default most of the time. They also want to know you cover their area or can cover their area or in their area. And then of course, the third thing always is, can they trust you? In e-commerce, by the way, then the keyword is necessary, but not the location. The trust part is still part of the equation. With that said, knowing that location is also important, you want to do this as well. The keyword being on the page, you want to have that keyword in the headline. You want to have it wrapped in an H1 or heading 1 tag. You also want to have it within the body copy at least 3 times. And then, of course, finally, you want to use the Gemini to write your body copy itself, telling Gemini that you want the keyword at least 3 times within the body text of what they say to use on your landing page for copywriting. If they already don't do it by default, what they give you, which usually they will from what I found in our testing. The first 3 will already give you a much higher quality score than what you would get otherwise, because Google will automatically think that this page is going to convert well because the landing page is tight matching to what keyword you're targeting, which by default, that will always give you a higher conversion rate, which is why you should damn well do it, by the way. This whole nonsense, oh, you don't need unique landing pages for each keyword. Oh, that's not necessary anymore. That's bullshit. Because the proof that it's bullshit is the fact that Google's going to give you a higher quality score when the fucking keywords that you're targeting are on the landing page. So you can't argue with the logic at all here. Now that you understand that the keywords on the page matters, and the best way to do that, given that you can't have all your keywords on the page, and you can only put one keyword in the H1, practically speaking. I mean, you technically could use more than one H1, but you get what I mean. And the headline can basically only have one keyword in it. Then your only logical conclusion is that you use one landing page for each keyword, and that's going to get you the highest assumed quality score at the beginning, before they have had time to actually measure the conversion rate and give you the long-term quality score that they want. So they do a predicted quality score until they know how your page converts, and then your long-term quality score comes in, of which this Gemini one is one that I haven't talked about before because I didn't know that it worked up till about a week ago, of which you use the methodology, like I said, you tell Gemini to write the copy and the keyword that you're targeting, and it outputs it. Then you make your landing page and you have higher quality scores adding in Gemini typically than you would get without using Gemini, and only did the first 3 here. So I have a case study that goes over the results where we did this for a keyword toilet unclogging service. When we tested the validity, how well this worked, I started out seeing what the quality score would be for this keyword and this ad that we had written for this keyword, having just a dedicated landing page for the keyword. But we didn't put the keyword in the headline, H1, or body copy. The URL just had it by itself, which is already pretty well optimized as far as Google's concerned. Then we had it to where headline, H1, and body copy had the keyword. Then we had it where we also had the body copy written by Gemini after telling Gemini, write the body copy to achieve the highest possible quality score. What do you think happened here? Well, our default, already with having a dedicated landing page for that keyword, but just in the URL or the slug, we got a 6 quality score. We set up a new campaign, doing everything under 1, 2, and 3 here, and got a 7 quality score. And here's the really interesting part. When we had Gemini write the body copy, just like with Louis Rossman and the dramatic results he got, we got a 9 quality score right off the bat. But again, this is actually similar to how the ad strength score works and that whole predicament you'll have with ad strength score. So I've talked about how ad strength score is relevant. Short-term ad strength score being at 100% will get you more impressions short-term, but what matters to Google in the end is high click-through rates. You could say you like punching yourself in the balls on your ad, and if it gets a high click-through rate and users like it, they don't care. They're going to give you a great quality score. And I got to explain this to clients all the time. What? Corey, why is our ad strength score so low? I have to say, Google wants you to have 15 headlines because they know if you throw a bunch of shit at the wall, as an average person who does not know how to write an ad or what the hell even ad copywriting is, they're more likely to find at least one that works, which is why they set it up that way to bait you into doing it. If you actually know how to write an ad, you don't need 15 fucking headlines to find one that's going to work. In fact, that'll just delay the whole process of the algorithm finding the headline that's going to work and start using it. So short term, you can get benefit by pleasing that how the system works and getting the high ad strength score. But long term, it's the click-through rate that matters. And if you have a bunch of headlines in there that most of them get shit click-through rates, you're going to actually have a shittier overall result that you are looking for long term, because fundamentally it's a nothing burger. There's nothing there. There's no high click-through rates. So this is very similar to that in that if what you have on your landing page doesn't convert, this is not going to really do shit for you other than a short-term jolt, low cost per click that you wouldn't get until you've had a few hundred clicks on that keyword, and then the benefit of it goes away. But if you also have something that converts well, the page is designed really well, you have really good video testimonials on the page, you'll get the jump at the beginning and then you'll carry it forward. Or like I was saying before, you have a hybrid strategy where you got literally two versions of this. You got one version that used Gemini to write the copy, one that where you handwrite the copy with somebody who actually knows how to deploy proper sales copywriting techniques, where you do proper research on the market and find the language that your market will respond to at the highest rates. Then you run them both at the same time. Short term, the one written by Gemini will take off real fast because you get higher quality scores than what you get with the handwritten copy, even though the copy will convert better. And then midterm, Google, after slowly testing this out still, because they still want to find whatever in the account's going to get the highest conversion rate, assuming everything else being equal, they start to run this more and they're like, oh, this looks like this actually does better than this. And eventually they'll just purely run this, given enough time has passed, because it becomes undeniable this is better than this. And you get the best of both worlds, the short-term boost and the long-term overall result that you're looking for as well. Hopefully that makes sense how you would deploy this, get the short-term and the long-term benefits, and get the most results out of the information possible. Before we talk about the organic lift, ultimately, I want you to subscribe to the channel, because if you are serious at all about making money with ads, you want to subscribe to this channel, because I give you all the working information and knowledge about all these tests I run, about what really works and what doesn't work in running ads online today. Given this is all I do is just ad testing and ad strategy at our firm. We've got other staff members that do the execution. I literally am just the idea man, and I test stuff all day long and I find what works and I tell you what works on this channel. Whereas mostly everything else you're going to find out online about ad strategy is just surface level crap. So if you're serious about making money, just subscribe already. I've got great blog information on my blog as well at guaranteedppc.com/blog. Check that out if you haven't already yet. If you have any questions for me, you can always leave me a comment below. You can also reach out to me through my Discord group. I've got a link to my Discord group in the video description. You can also reach out to me through my site at guaranteedppc.com, where I offer private coaching and consulting. I do done-for-you management of ads, where we'll guarantee you results in your campaign. Otherwise, there's no management fee. No other agency does this. We also will offer templates in your market. We'll give you the winning ad landing page, all of it that works for your niche market, and tell you the results you're going to get with it upfront if we've already worked in your market already in another city or country that you're in. But going into the organic, as I promised I would do here. So the more exciting fact is, given that I didn't invent this, but I verified what he was saying was correct, like what Rossman said was correct, you can get a massive increase in your organic traffic having the copy typically rewritten, because we've proven it, tested it for ourselves, having Gemini write your body content, even as soulless as Rossman says, that it actually works. We don't do SEO. What I do for clients, as I've mentioned before on this channel, if you make good landing pages, particularly you make them on a keyword level, those pages that are perfectly optimized for a certain keyword are also perfectly optimized to rank organically for that keyword as well, because it caters to that exact person who searches that exact term really, really well. Whereas probably nobody else in the market's optimized and created a page for users to please users on that level for that exact search. So it typically ranks pretty well, and all you got to do is take your landing pages that you would set up for your Google Ads campaigns, throw them into Google Search Console, you give them a sitemap linked to every one of your landing pages that you made, they crawl them, they start to rank a little bit of them, realize they convert well, rank a few more, and then it just is a waterfall effect, which works beautifully, by the way, when you have any decent amount of domain authority. And as long as the landing pages are on a subpage, it inherits all the domain authority, not necessarily with a subdomain. You get all this free organic traffic on your landing pages just as a free bonus, basically. Why wouldn't you want that? So I advise clients to do this. We include it in our services for free because it takes 5 minutes to make a sitemap out of these pages and give it to the client so they can put it in Google Search Console and they get the free rankings, and it makes us look good too, because guess what? They count the leads that we get from the landing pages we made for them, just pretty much like a PPC lead. They're going to value, if you want to say that. We retain the client at a higher rate that way. I'm not above saying that. The rankings that we got in the plumbing space in this local market, given that it's easier to rank for a local service, of course, versus an e-commerce market, and it wouldn't work nearly as much and nearly as quick in an e-commerce space, but we got a 146% increase in traffic on our landing pages when we had our pages rewritten by Gemini. We went through methodically each one, rewrote it. After just 1 month of having rewritten it, given that Google is going to only recrawl these so fast, that's how much the traffic went up. So Louis Rossman was very much right in what he said, how effective this actually is. Now, this information, if it gets around and more people start using it and doing it, and of course, we all know how this goes, Google's going to pick up on it and stop giving it credit so much. Because as soon as a strategy becomes widespread, the algorithm's not effective at actually giving users what they want. Anything that games the system hijacks their ability to give the user the best relevant result. They're going to neuter the strategy, but for now, it works extremely well. And maybe if it never does become mainstream, it'll always keep working like this. Very least, I think it'll keep working on the PPC front for years, maybe forever, until something changes about Google Ads fundamentally, is my guess. But anyway, I wanted to give you the very interesting information that we found out in regards to this. It does work to help your PPC as well as your SEO. You should get out there, run out there and do it, because this is extremely effective and basically free to do if you just put the work in and update your pages. So with that said, I'm going to wrap it up with that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. If you want to see another video, click here. It is one of my best ones.